Hello and welcome to cbsclabs.com. Today we will learn about the concept of planes. The floor of the room, the surface of the sheet of the paper, all these are examples of planes. Let us now learn the definition. The definition is a flat surface which extends infinitely in all directions is called a plane. Also, it does not have any thickness. Now this is the plane P containing the points A, B and C, and we can extend this plane infinitely in all directions. Now the very important point is the plane does not have any thickness. The plane does not have any thickness. Now let us learn the incidence properties of lines in a plane. The first property is an unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a given point on a plane. That is, now in this plane P, all the lines are passing through the point O. So from a point on the plane we can draw infinite number of lines through the given point. Now let us come to second point. A single line segment can be drawn through two fixed points on a plane. Now in this plane P we have two fixed points P and Q, and we can draw only one line segment through these two fixed points P and Q. Let us come to third property. Two lines in a plane either intersect each other or one line is parallel to another line. Here we have two planes P and Q. In the plane P, we have two lines are intersecting each other at the point O, whereas in the plane Q, two lines are parallel to each other. So we can conclude that two lines in a plane are either intersect each other or one line is parallel to the another line. Now let us learn the important properties of the planes. The first property is two planes are either parallel or intersect each other. In this figure we observe that two planes P and Q which are parallel to each other. We can conclude that two planes are either parallel or either intersect each other. Now the example for the first property is, if we keep a book on the flat surface of a table, then the two planes that is plane of the book and plane of the table are parallel. Now let's come to second property. The second property is two intersecting planes intersect on a line. Here we observe that the planes P and Q are intersecting at the points C and D. Here the line CD is called the intersecting line of the planes P and Q. Now the example for second property is, if we keep a book vertically on a tabletop, then the plane of the book and the plane of the table are intersecting planes. Now this finishes the section. I hope that you can understood.